how to find motivated sellers, how to find off-market discounted properties in your wholesale real estate business. I will be using Propstream, the software, to find these, and I'm going to give you all the 3 best lists to pull right now in your business so you can find these motivated sellers and you can close wholesale deals. What's up? It's Biz Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to like this video, comment down below your thoughts. If you all have any other questions about the list I'm talking about, or let me know which list are you targeting right now in your real estate business. And be sure to subscribe to this channel for some more awesome content around wholesaling real estate investing in general, and just business and finance. All right, so the first article that I want to highlight is just this article saying that mortgage lending has rebounded nationwide with gains for second quarter. And they're looking at second quarter compared to a fourth quarter. And so that's great. It says residential loans surged 23% quarterly, climbing back to levels from a year earlier. Purchase, refinance, and home equity lending all increased despite shift. Lending activity still off nearly 2/3 from 2021 peak. So 2021 peak, that's when mortgage rates were at its lowest. So there was a lot of mortgages, obviously. And so now that it seems like interest rates are more stable, people are just coming around. They're accepting the fact that they're not going to get a mortgage for 2.5%, right? They're going to get a mortgage for 6%. And so I think it just took people 2 years to just come to that realization. And now they're coming along, going back to, just buying homes. And with this information right here, you have to think, okay, mortgage lending is increasing. People are going out there buying a home. They're looking for homes that are renovated, that are updated. And so you're trying to find cash buyers, all right? Cash buyers who are flipping properties to sell to these people. And so going on Propstream, once again, if you all are interested, check my link down below. You get a 7 free day trial using this platform. It's a great platform. I even use it in my flipping business. So Phoenix, Arizona, I'm going to go filters. I'm going to put actually owner occupied properties. I'm going to make sure it's occupied properties. All right. And then let me see, or any, we could do any. And then let's just do residential properties here. And we're going to make sure it's single family, condo, and then 2 to 4. And then MLS status, I don't want it on the MLS, right? I don't want a listed property. So I'm just going to make sure it's not on the MLS. So I'm going to put no. Ownership information. Now, I want to make sure they own this property, especially before the jump in home prices, so they can have equity, so they can sell this property for cash to me. So I'm going to put minimum years of ownership, or you can put last sell date, but I'm going to put at least 6 years. So let's just put 6 right here. Other things that you can do here, a great thing about Propstream is that you can put number of properties owned. Maybe you don't want to target a landlord. So you say max own like 10 properties or something like that. Or minimum properties. Let's say you are looking for tire landlords. You can put 10 properties that they minimally own, if I'm saying that correctly. But ownership information, let's say we're only looking for an individual. We're not looking for any LLCs or anything like that. So we're just putting individual right here. And then valuation and equity. So you want to make sure their estimated equity percentage, I'm going to put a high percentage. I'm going to put like 70%. They own 70% or more. Now, this is still a super large list. And so in this box, there's 145,000 properties. There's a lot of properties in here. And then what we're going to do, we can still do property characteristics. We can make sure it's residential. Let's say it's just single family or condo or a multifamily, small multifamily, something like that. And then right here, you can go pre-foreclosure and you can put notice of default. Or they have these quick list options that you can do, and you can just click pre-foreclosures and it'll populate for you. And so there's only 56 in this box area, but if you look at the whole Phoenix, maybe that can be something that you're looking for. But yeah, pre-foreclosures is the second list I would target. in my wholesale real estate business. Now, the next list that I will target is actually vacant properties. So once again, we're going to clear pre-foreclosure, and we're going to keep the residential, single family, and small single multifamilies. But we're going to put vacant for occupancy status right here. And obviously it's not going to be Unfortunately, my voice audio cut off, so I'm voice recording over this. So essentially, this is non-owner occupied vacant property, and for the estimated equity, we put it a little bit lower at 50% since there's a lot of different variables. So we put it at 50% compared to the other percentage we put for the other one, and it's according to this box we drew up, and so that's all what's going to show up. And so you have a list right here that's easy to manage, that you can get to, and I think that if you're either going to cold call or mail this list, you will be able to do that because there's only about 1,000 here that you can target, right? Because like with a big city like Phoenix, you have to do all these things. And then I'm just saving the list on Propstream. It's easy to do. And then it goes on that tab, My Properties. And I can't click it right now because it has private information, and YouTube won't let me show all this private information. But essentially, that's how you use Propstream, and that's how you pull the different lists. We did we did the owner occupied list, high equity. We did pre-foreclosure, and now this list is the a vacant list. And so Propstream, you can send postcards and email marketing directly from the platform. You can skip trace on the platform. So it has all of this in their platform. Once again, check my link down below if you're interested. But I think this is a great software for any real estate investor or wholesaler just starting out their business. All right, you all, hope you all enjoyed this video of just showing Propstream and the best list to pull right now in your real estate wholesale business. I think this year is going to turn out to be a very good year. These next couple of months, you have the Fed cutting interest rates, and so mortgage rates are going down. And then with that, I think more and more cash buyers are coming back into the market to start flipping properties. And with that, I believe that you can find more deals to sell to your cash buyers. So whether that's them buying these deals to flip or hold them as a rental, I think more investors are coming back in the market, and more sellers are accepting the higher interest rates, and so they're okay with now putting their house on the market or selling their house that needs repair because it's been sitting on the market and they still haven't been able to sell. So I think this will be a great year for investors looking to start wholesaling real estate. So check out Propstream to pull these lists to start closing wholesale deals. Thank you.